guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, before we get started, like, turn the post notifications on, and subscribe, and comment down below when you're done. Comment down below when you're done. Comment done when you are done in the comments below, okay? And my mom's just making food right now. Today we're just eating egg and rice and soup, I think. Yeah. Soup, oh mommy, soup pani. Soup. Joel. Soup. Yes, soup as well. It's so delicious. You guys want wait. This is the egg they are eating. These are for my parents, and well, that one that's flipped over. That one right there is for my dad. And this one right here is for my mom's. You guys can see that it's red. It's because they love eating spicy ones. Those ones are pepper ones, red pepper and onion in it. And that one has onion and pepper on it too. They love it. I also love that a little bit. And I'm also making my own one. Wait, using pepper no bago. Yeah, this one doesn't have pepper and onion in it because that one's my one. And I think I'll give my baby some because it's scary and scary. It's gonna be really good. Hey, so knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Hey, so knees and toes. Oh, Cocomelon over there. Daniel's watching over there with his dad. And also, guys, I'm going to tell it is a very rainy day. It started to rain yesterday, and guess what? It stormed and lightning yesterday. It was so loud. Don't, lightning. Oh my god, so bad. And it is so wet right now, and you can also see. I'm wearing shoes, and it's so comfortable. Really, it's not that comfortable. You guys can see, you can't even see because of the window. It's all covered in water. It's raining. The rain just stopped, so I'm gonna show you guys. Knees and toes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at that. Muddy puddles everywhere here. Oh my goodness gracious me. It is so bad. I hate rain. Ugh, so disgusting. I don't know why those lights aren't on. Maybe it's the camera. I don't know. Okay. My hands are keeping going there. Okay, so yeah. I don't know what to say, but I was just playing Roblox and I searched Spy Ninjas versus Project Zorgo. Okay. Oh my god, I love Spy Ninjas. Project Zorgo is very bad. Dislike Project Zorgo. Okay, guys? But thumbs up for Spy Ninjas because they're the best. They do the best things in the world. Like they fight the best fighting skills. Well, it's not real, but they fake fight. The hackers and the Spy Ninjas are just friends for fake. In normal days, and yeah. And watch them, guys. It's the best. So what happened? Oh, the sound came down. Okay, so yeah. I searched it up on Roblox, and then I started playing those V Melvin. Oh wait, V Melvin. Oh, let me tell you guys. So there was V Melvin, Chad, Regina, and Daniel. There wasn't Casey. There was Casey, but there wasn't in the Roblox. So yeah, I love them, but I don't like that project because it's disgusting. They do very bad stuff, and they wear very bad masks, which is not good. And when I was in the morning, in the afternoon, like right now, it's getting darker. But in the afternoon, I was playing with a ball outside, and Daniel was, and then when I was playing, and then I was like, "What is that in the window?" It was just Daniel staring at me in the window, looking at me playing with the ball. It was so creepy, but yeah. Oh my god, I was so scared. I was like, "What is that?" So yeah, he was with his dad in the window. Look at me playing. So yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, that smells so good. Perfect. Excellent, Mama. How many is there? 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many is there because I can't really see it. What? I'm just seeing. It's just putting wait, where is that? I can't see. Just putting oil in the thing so she can make something. I don't know what's it called, but she makes something else now. It is not egg because you do not make eggs in those things. Do you know? You can only make eggs on those. Wait, where is it? Wait, on those things. Right there, right, the small one. But you cannot make it on those. It will be ruined, guys. So don't try that. I love cooking one. It's for babies, but I don't care. Anyone can watch it in the world. Okay, I know why I'm doing that. I don't care. I don't care about. Wait, check out this. So, guess what, guys? Oh, it's 17:27. No, that is not right. That is not right. My time is not right. There is 76% right now. No, yeah, 76%, and yeah. I'm going on YouTube too. I'm gonna show you guys Spy Ninjas. Just to believe me, are they real or not? I'm not playing Roblox. I'm gonna show you it on YouTube, like the Spy Ninja on YouTube, like in real life. So I'm just going to search it. S. Over there it is. I already searched it up. You guys can see that. You guys can see that? I love them. They just uploaded one 16 hours ago. You guys can see the first one up in there. The first one is right over here. This one they just uploaded 16 hours ago, which is a long time. And they upload the 3 case ones over here 1 day ago. So let's watch the 1 day ago one. Because I only watched half of them. So I was busy.
What is up, Spy Ninjas? One of these 3 my true brother. Today we are going to be unmasking the right
He has a brother named Casey, just like I said last time. The EMP is very dangerous, guys.
That's right.
It explodes you.
I disabled that EMP. I know exactly how we're going to figure out which one of us is my true brother. I'm tired of playing games. You guys take your masks off right now and see which one of you is my real brother. I don't want to endanger you or your friends with all this material that we came into contact with. It'd be dangerous for us to take it.
Where are my eyes like that? Oh, because I'm flipping it over like this. So that's why. Don't forget Darman. Oh my god, I love Darman. Oh. Darman, this is how you spell it. D-H-A-R space M-A-N-N. You can see our little boy, a TikTok prankster, goes too far. You can see that. Look at the boy. Oh my god. Right over here. That's what it is, guys. Darman. And my battery's getting lower in my phone. I always make videos. I always make videos in my phone, but not always because I haven't uploaded in a while, like 2 or 1 day. I haven't uploaded. My battery's getting a little bit low because I was watching my phone today in the bed when it was raining. And yeah, this is my bowl. My babies and my bowl. We have so many bowls. We have like one. One is a very small one. This one's a very small one. You guys can see. It's like rainbow, but it's not. They have white in it. That one. That one for my baby brother. And the big one here. So we have a lot of bowls. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked and turn the post notifications on and subscribe. You gotta set out. What? Mama? Oh, what did you say that? Oh, yeah. We're gonna go eat now because the food is ready. Bye guys, love you. Bye.